Welcome to learn short and typing with Vikas sir. For Punjab and Haryana High Court dictation for चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट एंड अदर अलाइड कोर्ट, जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हमारी डिक्टेशन डेली की डेली आपको हो रही है। ये जो डिक्टेशन आपकी थर्ड क्लास है, हमारी जो दो डिक्टेशन हमने सुबह डाली थी, आज आपकी ये थर्ड क्लास आपकी 100 वर्ड पर मंथ की स्पीड होगी इसकी WPM। तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपकी 100 की जो स्पीड लेके ही जाना, आप उसमें फ्लक्चुएशन भी कर सकते हैं। 80 की जगह 90 भी जाएंगे, फिर 95 की जाएंगे, 100 से अबाव नहीं जाएंगे, 100 तक ही मैक्सिमम जाएंगे। अदरवाइज़ कंपटीशन ज़्यादा है, इसलिए आपको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करनी है और अच्छे से ही आपको वहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस देना, अपना 100% लगा देना है। ओके, जहाँ से भी आप इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स। चलिए हम डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी। और आपकी चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट में आपकी CPT की भी क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे, बिल्कुल हम 0 लेवल से। जो बच्चा सीखना चाहता है वो हमारे चैनल पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से सिखाएंगे, खुद मैं ही सिखाऊंगा आपको CPT। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। At this juncture, the subsequent event, which has been accentuated upon by Mr. Grover, learned senior counsel, and Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel, needs to be noted. After we dismissed the earlier read petition, being WP number 179 of 2015, the President of India rejected the mercy, the petition of the petitioner. The fulcrum of the submission of Mr. Grover is that the petitioner is entitled in law to challenge the same, albeit on a limited ground, and therefore a 3-judge bench of this court in Shatrughan Chauhan and another versus Union of India and others has, upon perusal of various jail manuals which exhibit 1 2014 3 SCC discrepancies, intended to rationalize by laying down a minimum period so that the convict can make certain arrangements. To put it succinctly, when a mercy petition is rejected, there has to be a minimum period of 14 days between its rejection being communicated to the petitioner and his family and the scheduled date of execution. That apart minimum period of 14 days is stipulated between the communication of the death warrant to the petitioner and the scheduled date of execution. Mr. Grover, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, would contend that both the conditions are to be satisfied as they are cumulative in nature. There can be no cavil over the same. First, to the second condition, the death warrant was issued on 30/4/2015, which was admittedly received by the petitioner on 13/7/2015, and the date of its execution is 30/7/2015. Thus, one of the facets is met with as far as the first aspect is concerned in the earlier judgment passed in WP number 179 of 2015. This court has held thus: after the judgment was pronounced on 21/3/2013, an application for review was filed, which was dismissed by circulation. After the rejection of the application for review, Sultan, the brother of the petitioner, represented under Article 72 of the Constitution to the President of India on 6/8/2013, claiming benefits under Article 72 of the Constitution. The petitioner on 7/8/2013 wrote to the Superintendent Central Jail Nagpur informing him about receipt of petition by the Office of the President of India. On 2/9/2013, the Government of India forwarded the mercy petition of the convict addressed to the President of India to the Principal Secretary Home Department, Maharashtra, as per the procedure. The Governor of Maharashtra rejected representation. The state government informed the central government. Full stop. स्टूडेंट इसका आपको PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, जो हमारा जो टेलीग्राम चैनल है वहाँ पे जाइए और PDF आपको मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद वेरी मच।